In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Member Count Bot on Discord, a tutorial designed to enhance your server with a unique feature that keeps everyone updated on how bustling your community is. Let's dive into the details, shall we? First things first, head over to Discord by typing their website into your browser. This part is pretty straightforward. The goal is to get you onto the platform where all the magic happens. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with the login page. This is where you need to input your email address, the one you registered with or typically use to access Discord. Make sure you've got it right to avoid any hiccups down the line. With your email in place, the next step is to key in your password. Remember, this is your private access code to your Discord world, so keep it secure and enter it carefully. Once you've filled in your credentials, it's time to hit login. Clicking this button will whisk you away from the mundane world into the sprawling, vibrant universe that is Discord. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Discord homepage. This central hub is your gateway to all the servers and conversations you're a part of. For now though, our focus is on setting up the member count bot, so let's press on. Navigate to the server where you wish to install the bot. Servers are the lifeblood of Discord, each a unique community. Select the one you administrate or have the necessary permissions in, as you'll need these to add new features like our bot. Once inside your chosen server, look for the app directory. This feature is relatively new but incredibly useful, acting as a centralized repository for all sorts of Discord enhancements. Clicking on it will reveal a plethora of options to customize your server experience. In the search bar within the app directory, type in server stats. This magic keyword will bring up the member count bot we're looking to install. The search function is quite intuitive, so it won't take long before you see the bot we're aiming for. When server stats appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a more detailed page about what the bot can do, and importantly, the option to add it to your server. Now you're at the crucial step, adding the bot. There should be an add app or similar button visible. Clicking this begins the process of integrating the bot into your server, a key step towards that automated member count you're aiming for. A dialog window will pop up asking you to confirm the addition of the bot. At this point, click on Continue. This action signifies your consent to bring a new digital resident into your server's ecosystem. And just like that, you've added the member count bot to your Discord server. What this means is you've now enabled a feature that will automatically update and display the number of members in your server in real time. A neat way to showcase your growing community. That wraps up our tutorial on how to set up the member count bot on your Discord server. This bot not only adds a cool feature to your server, but also helps in fostering a sense of progress and community among members as they see the numbers grow. Remember, a vibrant community is an engaged one, so leverage this and other bots to keep your Discord lively and engaging. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy Discording!